Now, coming to Saujanya, tell me, dear. I think already I asked you, right, yesterday?
Yeah, you did actually. I have my degree from India is BSc Science actually. So I am thinking to continue my workforce further. So I wanted to actually getting into the science is really hard again, going all over again. So I thought I will get into IT field and QA as well. It's easier way to get into the IT field. Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
Fine, dear. So, yeah, thank you so much. Let me explain you what are all the things we are going to learn in the session. First and foremost thing, especially for, actually I informed Saujanya also, especially for Avinash. Tell me, dear, how come QA only? Because already you Informatica you completed. So, why you want to shift into the testing?
Nothing but it's something I need a job actually. I thought to have. I'm actually living with my uncle, so I thought I need to stand on my thing first initially. Then as everyone know, IT is nothing. We can update every technology now and then, and that's not a problem whichever we take now. So I actually thought to have a job in Informatica only, but for some reason I couldn't manage the experience that these consultancies put on my resume. As everyone do, my consultancy also has put on some fake experience, and I couldn't make all those interviews. Time is going on. I'm just searching what to do, and meanwhile I got to know that BA suits me better. Nothing suits me like BA. So I thought to have BA, and then I thought that QA allows much people to get jobs as fast as any other technology. So first I have so I'm actually a green card holder. There's no problem to live here. So I don't have any visa issues. So then I thought that first initially I'll take QA and get into IT, get into a job, small thing or big one. And then I can expand. That's fine.
Good. So, whatever you are taking the decision, last like comparing to BA, Informatica and QA, because I'm teaching testing, I can't say teaching is testing is easy. In general, in the software company, testing is dead easy job here. Getting the job is easy, and holding the job is also, yes?
Yes. Actually, my uncle works in IBM, and he suggested me in testing in Informatica. But while he was saying, he just told me that testing is very easy, everyone can do that, and so that the pay is also a little bit lower than Informatica. So that I thought that I thought that I will go for Informatica. Otherwise, if I had taken testing, I think I would have been in a job right now.
Okay, that's really true. And one more thing, paying is different here. Companies wise you will get the payments, but not for the work. Okay, means testing means low payments, Informatica means high payments. That is decided by company, because our job is very responsibility job. If you are meeting our client expectations, definitely you will get a hikes and all. So increasing, see, within the 6 years of my experience, my designation is getting changed into lead position. And same thing, example is myself only here. One of my friend and me, we started our career same level. In my academic, I'm talking about long back, 8 years back in educational level. We both got in college placements only, we got the job. She is from development side. I got selected as a testing side. As a fresher only. Right now still she is developer only, senior level developer only, and my designation is getting changed into test lead, because any programming every year you need to update. Whereas come to testing side, if you want to be consistent throughout your job lifetime, testing is wonderful, I can say. Testing is wonderful, and if your designation is getting changed, it means obviously you will get a hike.
Yes, that's yes.
And one more thing, for any programming here, just an example only. Just an example to view this application. Example, I can say one application, one calculator related application or something. So under development site it is. So to view this application only, backend, this type of code is returned by development team. If you click on, if any Firefox you open, if you click on F12, you will get a backend source code. If you are opening the same site in IE, just go to file and click on view source. This is the view source file actually, programming code. So if you see this, this is the coding returned by development team. And this is not at all an easy job here, to be frank. So obviously they made a mistakes in this coding side. This mistakes only as a tester you are going to test it. So this coding, whatever they are writing, every year it will be changes. Version wise, the coding means the modules will get changed. If any information, new information is incorporated, definitely the version is getting changed. And that version, as a programmer, you have to learn. When it has come to testing, no need of learning new things. If you know how to test it, any application, any technology, any version application, you can test it. That is the main thing in the testing here. So getting jobs as well as holding the job is very important at this time of, right?
Yes.
At this time, holding the job is very important. That you can do it in testing. Okay? So this is what I want to say you. Let's see what are all the things we are going to learn in our testing side. First one, manual testing. Manual testing. Along with the manual testing, see, one thing I can give you surely that once you coming out of my classes, you feel that yes, I'm having something in my hand. That confident you will get it here because I'm giving real-time projects. 2 real-time projects. So one is banking project. And second one is employee information system. Actually, this employee information system is the project belongs to the medical related, hospital related project that took patient details form. I changed this into employee information form. Title I changed it because my client is using this project. And not only the documentation, I am providing software also. This is the project developed in .NET technology dear, Windows based project. This project I am giving. See, just by viewing this application, tell me dear, just observe it and let me know. What are all the issues you found here?
This details of the patient, I think so.
Yeah, this is the employee information system.
Yes,
so what are all the mistakes you identified here? Yes dear, both of you.
Spelling mistakes, some designation, and
yes, designation spelling mistake is there. And title, observe, your eye contact should be once any application is there, first you need to observe the title of the project. That is the main, as a tester you need to identify. Title, very very important. 3 rules, every tester, every developer has to follow 3 rules. This is the universal rules actually. For any project, name is must. Name is title. In that title, first letter should be in uppercase. Okay? And there should not be any spelling mistakes in the project. That is the 3rd rule. So these 3 rules, a basic level of tester or a developer, any employee working in the organization, they need to follow. So in that, one of the rule is there should not be any spelling mistakes. And here, you are identifying some spelling mistakes on the application, right? Here, employee spelling mistakes. So this is only your testing dear. In future, this is only your testing you are going to identify. So spelling mistake of department. Okay? Yes, yes dear. Tell me what is your doubt? You are saying hello?
Someone, Samir I think so, he messaged me or I got a message actually. So I'm just pinging him too.
Fine, no issues. Okay?
Okay.
Fine. So, yeah, these are all the things you need to identify here. Okay? Now, coming to the point. So, this is the software in future. You will get a like real-time experience with this software only.
Okay.
So, as a tester, you are identifying these issues and you are sending back to development team. And And what development team is doing? That development team is going to rectify those problems and they release it the next build to the testing department with the clarifications. This is the example, this is the next build. Now again as a tester you need to test, is that problem got resolved or not? So this is the things you are going to do it. Having any doubts here?
No.
Fine. So this is one project, and coming to the next one, this is the banking project I'm providing to you. For this, still my development team is working. So maybe after 3 months you will get the live project. Live project means still this project is under local. Local in the sense development team is developing this project. So this is the documentation I'm providing to you. It's getting ready. So let's see. So 2 projects. One is employee, second one is banking project. Along with this, yeah, it's getting ready. So this is the project called banking project. Around 43 pages of documentation. This project I'm going to provide to you. Okay. Now coming to the next thing. Having any doubts up to now? I didn't started anything. Just
Yes.
2 projects documentation I'm sharing. Now after that, complete notes I'm providing. No need to write the running notes here. Complete notes I'm providing. Then, after manual testing completed, we are starting about automation testing.
Can you tell me about these which is extensively used nowadays?
Sorry?
Can you tell me about these manual and automation testing which are being extensively used nowadays, which is being used?
Exactly. Exactly, dear. Very, like 90% of the companies are using automation testing tool called QTP. 90% because it is licensed and as Windows as well as web-based projects you can test it.
Okay.
More popular tool. So before that Windrunner is most popular, but Windrunner most of the projects called C-based, C++ based projects only you can test it. So that is a drawback. To overcome that drawback, QTP is introduced. And one more tool is that is called Selenium, right? You heard about the Selenium?
Yes, and
Selenium also
even
most popular tool.
okay.
Yes, Avinash, tell me.
Yes, I want to ask about load runner. Load runner.
Load runner is the one of the, yes. So load runner is also, see, in the testing side, one is manual testing, 2 ways of testings are there. One is manual testing, second one is automation testing. Automation testing again classified into, one is functional testing.
Okay.
Functional testing. Second one is management testing. Third one is performance testing. These 3 are different things here. Functional testing means QTP, Selenium, Windrunner, like Silk, etc. tools are there. Okay? And management testing means quality centered here. Test drive, test director, Bugzilla, etc. tools will be there. And coming to performance tool is load runner. Load runner. Okay? So these 3 are, only these 3 things will be there. And here, see, any one tool is enough. No need to learn all. Any one is enough. Any one is enough here. And combinations I'll tell you. This is the combinations here. Manual plus automation called functional plus management. Means you can learn manual plus or QTP or Selenium or Windrunner or Silk and QC or test director or Bugzilla like this. Okay? No need to learn all, dear. And coming to the
Okay.
next level, this is one flavor, okay? Means in the companies, this is a one flavor. Next one, manual plus management only, like QC example. This is one flavor. Next one, only load runner. Only load runner. Because here, programming language called Java is must. Java programming language is must to handle the projects in load runner. Actually, what is load runner means, once the project is tested in functional testing and management, finally a project is moved into the live, means client is about to use, you need to check the performance of the project. Once the complete testing is completed here, then that project, like in the live example, Gmail is there. Before releasing Gmail into live, our development team and or software companies, people are checking how this application performance will be. If millions of people at a time they are entering, like www.yahoo.com example. If at a time all the people are entering, millions of people, they are browsing this site at a time, is how this application performance is giving. That needs to be tested by the load runner. Okay, so this testing is purely done by performance, means the person who is having the knowledge on Java, they can use load runner. And here combinations of job location, here for this maximum, like manual testers, automation testers and management testers. So this is the combination. You will get a 20 to 25 openings here. 25 means in the companies, in general, manual testers are 25 manual testers, 8 to 10 automation testers, 1 or 2, only 1 or 2 load runner, means only one job opening will be there. Means in the company, if 25 manual testers are there and 8 automation testers and 1 or 2 load runner will be there, only they are checking the performance. So openings also very less for this. So it's up to you. You decide if anyone or all at a time. If you are learning also, it's okay. It's your choice, dear. Wherever you are comfortable. Here, no need of learning any technology. BP script is going to use it easily. I'm going to teach you. Here, quality center means if you understand manually easily, this is dead easy for you. Quality center. Coming to load runner, I'm not going to teach the load runner. Okay, this is my flow. Before that, I need to inform you. Okay, is it clear now?
Okay.
Fine. Now coming to the point, your automation testing called QTP and management testing called QC I'm going to teach you. And basic knowledge on Selenium, only basic knowledge. Selenium is divided into again further 4 modules in that IDE, Integrational Development Environment of Selenium. That I can explain you, how it's working. Only web-based projects you are going to test it. So management tool called QC I'm going to teach you. So these are all the things, very important things I'm going to provide you. So complete notes I'm providing. And next one is resume preparation.
Complete notes in the sense, do you provide notes each after each class? I mean, after the session
Exactly.
of class? Okay.
Not everyday session. First, manual notes is divided into 3 parts. Automation notes divided into 4 parts. So once the manual 1 week classes are completed, immediately first day itself, 1 session is completed means immediately I'm going to send a part 1 notes. After that, after 1 week, part 2 notes. After 5 days or 6 days after classes are completed. Like this, it's got splitted.
Sure.
Not at a time complete bunch of notes I'm not releasing. Okay?
Yeah, but whatever classes are done, you will send the notes.
Exactly. Exactly. Because every weekend we are having a, like every weekend, Saturday, Sunday we are having a leave. Means no classes. Next class, before starting the session, I will conduct the test here.
Yeah.
Slip test. Okay? Fine. Is it clear?
Yes.
Fine. So slip test and mock interview. is our flow. Having any doubts here?
No.
Fine. Let's see. What exactly our flow? So this is the these are all the things we are going to discuss in the session. Let's see what are all the meaning of like one topic I'm going to explain you how the sessions will be. You can easily analyze how my teaching will be. First and foremost thing, you are entering into the yes. Eugenia, having any doubts?
So you give the recordings of the classes also or no?
Yes, dear. Yes, dear. I'll provide the recordings also. Class recordings. That is very common. Our live session will get recorded and that recording session I'll provide to you. Class recordings. Fine. So let's see, dear. Next step. I need an answer from your end. Let's start with Lokesh. Avinash, sorry. Avinash, tell me, dear. What do you know about the software company, dear? In general, what they are doing? Having any idea?
Yes, not much, but yeah, a few things.
Tell me, dear. What are all those things you know?
Yes, nothing. When they get a client, they get requirements from the client. A BA normally gets information from the clients and provides the information to these people who do the job project, and that's the main first initially requirements gathering is the important thing, and after requirements gathering all the requirements are gathered, then they start analyzing or planning how to do and what to do, and then something you can call like agile methodology. They figure out what are the main important things that needs to be done initially, and then after doing every 2 days or every 1 week they just get reviewed what they have been done and is there anything that needs to be modified, and that way they do all this, and based on the client actually if a project is very small, then there doesn't need to be many changes. If it takes a lot of time, then many technologies get changed, and we need to update our products as if in the market. So many manipulations may need to be done for the upgoing project. So the clients change their mind and they ask for something that doesn't that they don't tell when the project is being accepted or something like that. Now and then the manipulations need to be done, and then it goes to testing people. After the testing, they just provide it to the client.
Okay, fine. Good, dear. And you used one word called product and one word called project. What it is meaning?
Yes, product means the thing which we are going to design, and the project means the complete thing which is going to the complete thing that does come under this what you call. So making that product is called as a project.
Okay.
So that's what we do.
Okay. So there is a lot of difference between project and product here. Both are different, not the same. Okay, this is the what I need to explain you here. So companies are developing projects and products here, not a project and that is not converted into product. Here, simple information I will provide you. So throughout the world, 80% only real-time employees knows that meaning of project and product. In general, the people who are learning through online, they can say once the project is developed, once the project is completed, that is nothing but a product which is end user is using. It's not that here. Throughout the world, 80% of the software companies are developing projects and products. projects and products. Both are different, not the same. And what about remaining 20% means this 20% of the software companies are dealing with outsourcing. Outsourcing means telecalling, telemarketing, customer care services. We least bother about this 20% here. It is nothing but BPOs, business processing outsourcing. You least bother about this. Your target is to get praise in this 80%, not in this 20%, right? So you just least bother about this thing. Let's do this part. So 80% of the companies are dealing with the projects and products. Now, you should know what is meaning of project and product here. There is a difference between project and product. See, example, one X is a person here, or A is a person example. He wants one pen. For his personal usage purpose, he required one pen. He can purchase through online also. And he can create his own requirements. Example, in this pen, he wants his name or his picture. That person wants his picture on this pen. For that, he need to give some information, and whoever developing the pens, he can go to that location and he can give the information, and that concerned person will develop the pen. This is a one way. Second way, easily he can purchase through online. Easily whatever he is purchasing, that is nothing but a product. And whatever the information he is giving to the concerned person, whoever creating the pens, that is nothing but a project. Let's see. He's having some needs here. Needs on a pen. What are all those needs, miss? One is, he's saying that the pen color should be blue. Can you hear me, team?
Yes, I can.
Yes.
Pen color should be blue. And one tattoo should be there in the pen. One picture or tattoo. And it should be right in blue color. So this is the needs of a person. This needs, in software terminology, we are calling it as a requirements here. Requirements. Now, with this requirements only, here, whatever the things is having a needs, that needs are known as a requirements. With this requirements, that a person is coming into my location. I am developing pens here. Obviously, is coming into my location only. So, what I am doing here, I just analyzed these requirements and I am saying that come after 2 days with the cost called, example, with the cost called $50. And that person is coming after 2 days, and what I am doing here is, just I analyzed it and I created a pen like this. Just observe my picturizations here. Yeah. So, what I did here, I am a pens developer. Means I am a software company people. I am developing the pen and I am releasing that pen to that a person only. That is called project. So, what is meaning of project means? Project is something that is developed based on a person's requirements. This a person is belongs to client for now. Client for software company. Now, I created the pen like this and I'm providing this pen to that a person. So, this is called project. Blue color, one tattoo is there and it is writing in blue. So, what is project here is, project is something that is developed based on client requirements and used by that client only is known as project. Is this point is clear? Both of you?
Yes.
Fine.
Yeah.
And yes, Aujanya, what about you, dear?
Yeah, I'm getting that. Thank you.
Fine. And what is meaning of product means, here, same example only, I am developing pens. Now forget about project. I am developing pens and I am searching in the market, what are all the users or what are all the pens most of the users are using. I am searching and I got one information called, this is the pen called blue pen. Most of the users are using. Now what I did here is, just I analyzed it. What are all the best features in this pen? I got 3 informations. Color of the pen, and because of the color, because of the cost, because of the way of writing the pen, most of the users are using. So what I did, I'm developing pens. I created my own requirements. As a software company, I created my own requirements. They used blue color. I'm using yellow color. They used the pen cost is $30. I will make it as a 20 only, and the pen is writing in blue color. I created red, blue, black, multicolor pen, and I'm selling this pen into the market. This is called product. So what is product means? Product is something that is developed based on company's own requirements and used by multiple users. This is called product. So best example for product is one you entered into the go-to meeting just now. That is one product here. And your Gmail is one of the example, best example for product. And coming to the project means any personal uses like banking softwares are belongs to the projects. Only banking organization people can use. Whoever working in the bank or whoever use account holders, those can use this one. Okay, and one more example is any medical related softwares are belongs to project. Okay, there is a difference between project and product, but as an employee of the software company means for developer both are same. They can develop based on the technologies, based on the coding standards. As a tester, both are same. Front end application you are testing, maybe project you are testing, maybe product you are testing. Okay, so this is called the meaning of project and product. If you having any doubts, please ask me. Now you got the point. What is meaning of project and product? Actually, both are developed by software companies. Usage is different. If one person is coming into our location, we created and we are providing to that person only something called any pen, software, application, whatever the things. And company is analyzing, they create and they are selling out. That is called product. Got the point now?
Yes.
Confusion?
No.
No.
That's clear.
Good.
I
Fine. So next time, if anyone asks, what's your company's projects? Is this project based or product based? Means you say both. My company is project based as well as product based company. Okay, you are testing projects as well as products.
Okay,
Yes.
and will there be anything that's called product and project?
Sorry.
Will there be anything that will be both? Product.
Yes,
This
yes.
is a. That's what I'm asking. Can you give an example? Yes, this is a project and also a product.
Okay, that's what you are asking. Is this a project as well as product also? Best
Yes,
example is your
yes, sir.
Yes. So, is there anything software called project as well as product you are asking?
Yes.
One thing
Yes.
called as project and software. So, you can take it as an example of go-to-meeting or Gmail account. Gmail account is there, right?
Yes,
Your
yes, I got
Gmail
it.
account. Here,
Yes, I got it.
this, got the point now?
Yes, I got it. Even though it is a product that everyone can use, but it's restricted to everyone's privacy. Everyone, only the people can use their account. That's all.
Exactly.
So
Only
that's a
there's-
product. That's a project.
Yes. But mainly you can say it as a this Gmail is one of the product because Google company created requirements, everything is analyzed by Google company only and they created. Got the point? Earlier
Yes.
Yahoo Messenger is most popular. So you can take it as an example
Yes.
of Gmail. Okay? Fine. Now coming to the next step. Tell me dear, in your day-to-day life, are you going to do any testing? General example I want. I don't want your example of terminology or definition of testing. So in
Yes,
general,
it's
are you going to do any testing?
in general, if now I think so. When we cook, we generally test the taste, whether they have enough salt, enough all those things.
So you make a confirmation.
That's a
And
type
you
of
are
testing.
Exactly, exactly. You are attended for demo class. You are testing indirectly. Is she explained properly?
Yes,
Directly
yes,
you are not paying, right?
Yes.
This is also one of the testing only. So,
Yes.
max we are doing testing here. In the same way, once the software, see here, what I said, developing is not an easy job here. just to view this front-end application, any application, back-end, this much of code is written. Example, your Gmail account is there. This is the account. Just click on F12 if it is a Firefox. So, here, this is the coding returned by developer. Do you think is it an easy job?
No.
No, not at all. It's not at all an easy job. Obviously, they made mistakes here. That mistakes that you have identified. Because if we created, obviously we will analyze it, the mistakes. So, if you want to provide the quality project to client, testing is very important here. So, to develop this project, not an easy job. Obviously, they made mistakes in coding side. That mistakes will get reflected in front end. That front end mistakes has a tester you are going to check it. That is only known as testing. Let's see with one example. X is a person here. That person on application called login application. He has given some requirements. What are all the
Hello.
What is
Hello.
the general meaning of requirements? Yes?
Hello. Yes, actually,
Yes,
I'm
Avinash,
getting.
what happened?
Yes, your voice is bit. Some signal loss is there, I think. So with your network.
Oh, okay, okay. Fine.
I think now it's clear.
Now it's okay?
No.
Now it's clear?
No.
Oh, it's gone back again.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
Avinash, is it clear
Yes.
now?
Now it's okay. Actually, it's getting, your voice is getting lower, or it's getting stopped for a while,
Okay,
and then
okay.
and then.
Maybe some network problem.
Yes,
yeah?
that's what I'm
Sorry for
getting.
this.
It's for network, I think.
Okay, okay. Now it's okay? Still
Yes,
same
now
problem you're facing.
No, now it's okay.
What about you, Saujanya?
Now it's good, Vidya. It's good.
Fine, fine. Thank you. So, here X is a person here. That X person is giving some requirements. What is the general meaning of requirements?
Information.
Gathering the
Exactly.
details of project or
Yeah,
product.
information or needs.
Yes.
Yes. So, those needs are nothing but in software terminology, you call it as
Hello.
requirements. So,
Hello.
based on these requirements,
Hello.
hello?
Yes, once again it's been the same problem. 3 times.
Oh, okay, fine. Let me check.
I think it just comes and goes,
Bad
and
network connection.
yeah, it clears again within a minute or so, within seconds actually.
Okay. Now?
Now it's okay, but for a while
it's okay?
it's coming. Yes, when we use a network too much, then it comes now. It's the same thing. Yes. Now it's okay.
Fine, fine. Now it's okay? Fine.
Now, hello.
So, based on these requirements,
Hello. Hello.
okay, I
Hello.
think, yeah, just
Hello.
give it 2 seconds.
Okay.